Hey everyone, I'm here at the Apple event, and alongside a bunch of new iPhones, Apple has unveiled the Series 5 Apple Watch, successor to the popular and widely lauded Apple Watch Series 4. Here are all the changes. There aren't actually too many changes with the Series 5. The biggest one is the fact that there is an always-on display. That one is a big deal. While we have seen always-on displays on other smartwatches, it's nice to see it here. It means that now you don't need to raise to wake the screen or tap it. Now you can just glance at the watch and see not just the time, but also fitness data while you're working out. That's actually pretty handy if you're working out and you can't lift your wrist, or if you're, say, in a subway and you can't really move your hand from holding it on the pole. Now you can just look at your wrist and see all the data right there. Apple says this feature does not impact battery life, so you should still see 18 hours of battery life or just about a full day of usage. The other big change is new materials for the build of the watch. There's not just stainless steel and aluminum anymore. Now there's also ceramic and titanium. We've seen a ceramic model of the Apple Watch before, but titanium is brand new. It feels really nice and is extra durable, but I really like the ceramic a little bit more just because it feels ultra premium. It still comes in a 40mm size and a 44mm size, and there are a bunch of new watch faces that adapt to that always-on display. The transition is actually really nice when it goes from an always-on mode to the actual watch face itself. There's also now a built-in compass, so using Apple Maps on the watch should be a little more precise, especially also the fact that you can use this compass with third-party apps. So for example, I tested it with the Night Sky third-party app, which lets you scan the skies, and I was able to just hold my wrist and scan the horizon and see different constellations, and it was using that built-in compass, so that's pretty neat. Of course, third-party running apps would definitely take some use out of this if you want to map your run, or just use another mapping application that's available on the App Store as well. And the other improvement is now the emergency services button, which you can press and hold to activate, works in different countries and will automatically connect you to emergency services in those local areas. So now you can be a little more safer wearing your Apple Watch abroad. Otherwise, the starting price for the Apple Watch Series 5 is $399 for the GPS model and $499 for the cellular model. Of course, that's with the aluminum material. If you are opting for stainless steel, titanium, or ceramic, the price will increase. It's a bit of a bummer that we didn't see any sleep tracking. That's one of the big features that was heavily implied would be a new feature of the Series 5, but sadly there was no mention of it, and it's just looking like we'll have to wait for the Series 6 Apple Watch to get that feature. How does it feel on my wrist? Well, not too different from the existing Series 4. Again, they're very similar. There's not really anything that has changed, even design-wise. It all feels very nice, sleek, elegant, it's thin, and there are a ton of customizable loops that you can now get, so adding a little more versatility to your wardrobe if you want to spice up the look. And of course, all those extra different materials add up for a more high-quality experience wearing the watch. And all of that is without mentioning the upcoming features in WatchOS 6, like the new Noise app, which detects the audio in your surroundings, as well as Cycle, which helps you track your period. There's a whole lot more in WatchOS 6, and we can't wait to take a look when we get our hands on the Apple Watch Series 5. The Apple Watch Series 5 is available for pre-order now, and it officially goes on sale starting September 20th.